Hey guys, in this lesson we will learn how to blur some parts in our video. So now I will show you one video. Here you see. Let's play this video. Now here you see guys, I am logging in the Instagram website and I am entering email ID and password. So what I want in my video means if I am entering the details like email or password, so I want to blur this. So how can I blur it? So I don't want my viewers to see this email ID and password. So that's why I want to blur this. So how can we blur this email ID and password? Now let's simply open our Filmora software. So now I will import the videos and I am importing the background music also. Now let's drag it into the timeline. Now I want this background music till here, so I will remove here. So I will split it and I will delete it. Now guys, if you want to add a blur effect into the email ID and password, then we can go to the effects, then you can go to the recommended and here it is new, and here you can search it as mosaic. Make sure that your internet is on. So many mosaic blurs are there. So here you see, here it is a mosaic. So I will add it and I will make it. So let's see. Now if I make the full screen, now here you see guys, the blur effect is added here. So I want to keep it as here. So I can simply double click here, and here you see, here are the transform controls, and from here you can resize it. So I will adjust it where my email ID is there. So I will make it as full screen. Something blur effect is added here. So I just make it as, and here you see guys, here blur type is there. Here many types are there. Now here you see guys, our blur effect is added here. So with the arrow key also you can adjust it. Now let's play the video from here. So here you see guys, we have added a blur effect. So if I double click on the mosaic, then here many types are there. So I will keep it as this only, and here it is the blur amount. If you increase this blur amount means the blur effect will be added as more. So guys, the password is hidden only, so we no need to add a blur effect to the password. So if you want to see it as a zoom level, then you can click here, and here it is at the zoom levels, and from here you can see it. Now guys, you can easily adjust. Now guys, we have added a blur effect into our email. So you can double click here and you can change the blur effect. So while I'm changing here, the blur effect is also changing here. So see here. And if you want to reduce the opacity also, then you can reduce it. Now here you see guys, with the help of this blur effect, so we have hidden the email and the password is hidden only, so we no need to add a blur effect to this. Guys, if you have added the blur effect, then you can make the zoom level as normal. So click on it and make it as fit. Now if you want to see the preview, then you can make it as full screen. Now I will show you the video. Only here the phone number or email is showing here, and rest all the things are being blurred. So guys, from this way you can blur your email or password. So if you don't want your viewers to see this email ID or password, then you can simply blur this. So here are many effects are there. So if you want to blur the whole thing, then you can use a square blur. So I will add it here. So I will delete this mosaic blur. And now here you see guys, the square blur, what will do means it will blur all the things from the screen. So if I double click here, then here you see here sizes are there. So if you increase the size means the blur amount will be also increased, and if you decrease means the blur amount will also decrease. And here are the opacity. So here you see, so now I will make it as full screen. So little bit the blur effect is added. So if you want to increase the opacity, then you can see the blur effect. So guys, with the help of this square blur, you can make something creative. For example, I will hide this. Now I want to crop this as Instagram, and I want to crop till the login button. So I will simply copy this and I will paste it. So I will simply copy this and I will make it as here. So I will log this element and I will paste it. So here you see, now I want to crop means I will select this, and here it is the crop option. Click on it, and now I want to crop it. Now guys, I want this much part only. If you want more part, then you can click on the custom, and from here you can stretch it. But if you select the aspect ratio, then you can't stretch like this. So you can click on the custom and you can stretch it like this. So guys, I want this much part, so I will click on the apply button. Now guys, I will resize it according to the scene. So I have copied this video, and after that I have pasted here at the upper layer, and after that I have cropped it. Now what I want means in the middle of these two videos I want this square blur. So I will move it to the upper layer this, and I will add a square blur. Now here you see guys, between the two videos I have added a square blur. So what the square blur will do means it will blur all the things from the screen. So I will make it as full screen. Now here you see guys, the things are there here. For example, the languages are there. So once I will show you. Now I will hide this square blur. Now I will make it as full screen. Here you see, here many options are there. Here it is meta, about, blog. So many things are there. So if I add this square blur between the two videos, then what will happen, you see here. Now these all things are being blurred, and what is present in this screen means, so this part I have copied and also I have cropped this. So this part is not blurred because I have kept it on the upper layer, and this is in the bottom layer. So all the things without this registration form has been blurred. Now guys, I can give a special effect to this. So now what can I do guys? I can simply double click here and I can add an animation to it. So I will click on the animation, and now I want to give an animation. If you click on the preset animation and go to the preset motions legacy, now here so all the animations will be displayed in front of you. So now I want this boom animation, so I will double click here. Now here you see guys, the animation is added, so I will click on the OK. So now guys, if you want to add a sound effect also, then you can add it. So I have kept it here in the global media, so I can add it as a pop. So wherever it is zooming, I want to add sound effect here. So I will reduce this music. Now let's play the video. how cool effect is this. So I will play it, and a pop sound is displayed. So once I play the video, you see. So now guys, I have showed you how you can create a blur effect in your video. Simply you can go to the effects, and here you can search it as square blur. You can search it as square. Then here you see, here it is square blur, mosaic blur, and if you add a mosaic blur, then which part you want to blur, you can blur it. So firstly, how I have showed you to blur the email, so you can blur a specific part. If you want to blur the entire video, then you can use a square blur. So like this you can try it out. Guys, many blurs are there. If you want to add a border also, then you can add a border. So many things you can do here with the help of the effects. Hope this lesson is very exciting for you. Now guys, you can easily blur specific parts of the video. Either you can blur specific part, or you can blur the entire video. So when the blur effect we can use it, so I have showed you. Guys, that's it for this lesson, and I will meet you in our next lesson.